This is a review of the Ling's Moments lavender bundles, and I bought these to do as an addition to my bridal bouquets. And I am looking more towards, adding a little bit more like lavender sprigs. And so this is absolutely perfect. They are just so realistic looking, and yeah, they're just so realistic looking, and they're just absolutely beautiful. And this comes in this one comes in a 4-pack. And so what I can do is, I could use just a whole one by itself, or I may very well decide to just snip and use each one of these like individually in parts of my bridesmaids and my wedding bouquet.